Alright, g'day folks, welcome back to the vlog. I think we're at vlog number 25 today. My name's J.HUNTER, I'm a photographer filmmaker based in Sydney, Australia. First of all, if you're new to this channel and visiting, thanks for watching and thanks for dropping by. If you're returning, big thanks to you as well. A little bit of a background about this vlog. Originally it was intended to be a kind of a travel vlog of Australia. However, this little thing called a pandemic happened, which caused our borders to close internally, making travel extremely difficult. Then after that little incident for the last 2 years, we then had a bit of natural disaster with floods and so forth. So that meant in the meantime I've had to kind of adjust the content for this channel, so we've kind of become a bit of a day-to-day vloggy mishmash, which I think we're going to continue with. But we do have some travel stuff coming up for you, so stick around, stay tuned. But today's vlog, I want to give a big shout out to a non-for-profit charity organisation, Veterans Wellbeing Centre at Hornsby, located here in Sydney. They're a charity that do some awesome work for veterans from all conflicts, all genders and all ages. And we helped them out with a little bit of promo material and a vid which you're about to watch. So please show them a little bit of love and support and visit them. If you are a veteran and you need assistance, please reach out. They do an amazing and a fantastic job providing support and assistance for veterans. So without further ado, thanks very much for dropping by. Give us a big thumbs up if you like it. Please hit that subscribe button to support the channel. But most of all, I want you to have an absolutely wonderful day.